Hey guys, here's our video to go over our homework for Wednesday, September 14th. I hope that by today you're starting to find those patterns, you're starting to find where you're doing really well and where you need to continue to practice to improve. Make sure that you're coming to me in the morning if you have any questions on any of your homework problems. All right, so let's check your homework. Here we go. 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 2 digits on the bottom means that I need 2 answers, so I'm going to zero and cross out. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. That was easy. Let's keep it going with a 0 and cross out. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry your 1, write down your 8. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Now we're going to need to add our numbers together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and bring down your 2. So your answer is 2,944. Moving on to problem number 2. Same sort of thing, only we have a 3-digit by a 2-digit. I still know that I'm going to have 2 answers, so I'm going to need to zero and cross out. Here we go. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Ooh, almost put a 19 there. All right, then we need to zero and cross out. 0 and cross out. 7 plus 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry your 2, write your 8 down below. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Now we need to add these together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry your 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and bring down your 6. So our answer is 62,208. So there's our multiplication review for this week. Looking at number 3, which expression would be solved first? It's an order of operations problem because I have more than one type of operation, so I need my order of operations. Let's sing our song. When we begin together. Parentheses first now, please be clever. Exponents come right next in line. You can multiply and divide at the same time. Now subtraction and addition. Let's work it out with computation. There's our order of operation. We're going to start off with parentheses, but lo and behold, we don't actually have any parentheses this time. So let's move right on to exponents, and we do have an exponent right here, 5 squared. And so that is going to be the first expression that we solve. 5 squared, which we know is the same as 5 times 5, or 25. But we don't have to solve the whole problem. We only have to say what comes first. Moving on to number 4. Write the expression below. Divide 3 by 6 and then multiply by 8. So I'm pulling out my highlighter to highlight those operation words. Divide is an operation word, and multiply is an operation word. And these are easy words for us because we know divide means division, and we know multiply means multiplication. I'm going to divide 3 by 6. 3 divided by 6. I know that doesn't make sense if we were to try to solve the problem, but we're not trying to solve it. We're just trying to write it down. Divide 3 by 6, 3 divided by 6, and then multiply by 8. And then multiply by 8. Well, before I'm done, I need to think about if I need any parentheses. Well, what do I need to do first? I need to divide 3 by 6 first, and then I need to multiply. The way that I have it written, I don't need to put parentheses, but of course I could put parentheses around my 3 divided by 6. However, if I chose to write my 8 and then my 3 divided by 6, then I would need to put those parentheses because that means that this comes first based on our order of operations. Either way is correct. You could also have put parentheses around here. Okay? Moving on to number 5, write the expression below. Subtract 2 from 9, then multiply by 8. Let's highlight our operation words. Subtract and multiply. Again, these are easy operation words for us. Subtract just means subtraction, and multiply means multiplication. We're going to subtract 2 from 9. So we might want to go ahead and just start going like that to subtract 9, but that's actually not what it says. It says to take 2 from 9. From 9 means I need to start with the 9 and subtract 2. Then multiply by 8. Before I'm done, I need to go back and think, do I need parentheses? What am I doing first? I'm subtracting first, and then I'm multiplying. Well, based on order of operations, if I leave it like this, then I would be multiplying 2 times 8 first. That's not what we're supposed to do, so we absolutely need those parentheses around our 9 minus 2. Could you move the times 8 to the front? Absolutely, but we still need those parentheses around 9 minus 2. Okay? All right, looking at our last problem. It's another order of operations problem. This one we need to solve. So I'm going to go ahead and write my PEMDAS on my sheet again since I used the other one already. All right, so we start up here with parentheses. Inside my parentheses, I have an addition and a division sign. So using order of operations, even inside that parentheses, I know that division comes before addition. So I'm going to do division first. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Bring down your 9 plus. Haven't solved my parentheses out, so I need my parentheses as well. Bring down my plus 36 divided by 4. Still working inside my parentheses. Now I have 9 plus 2, which gives me 11. Solved my parentheses, so I don't need to bring that down. Plus 36 divided by 4. All right, so I've solved out my parentheses. I don't have any exponents. I'm on to multiplication and division from left to right. Don't have any multiplication, but there's some division right there. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Bring everything else down. 11 plus 9. Last thing I need to do is addition and subtraction. 11 plus 9 gives me an answer of 20. All right, so there are all of your answers. We can almost see them all in here. So hopefully you got them all right, but if you made a mistake, that's okay. I hope you learned from it. I hope you found it. And if you're still confused, make sure you're coming in tomorrow morning and you're talking to me about it. I want to make sure that you've gotten on and you've watched this video. Lucas showed me his fantastic smiley face from yesterday. He even put eyebrows on it, which I thought was really funny. So today I thought we wouldn't do a smiley face because we've already done that. So what if we did kind of like a crazy face to prove that you watched the video? So over here in our blank spot over here, we're going to do our eyes, and then I'm going to use Lucas's eyebrows. But then instead of a smile, I'm going to do like a crazy face, like a face. All right, so since you've watched the video, make sure you put that on there so that when I pick up your homework on Friday, I'm going to know that you've checked your answers on the blog. All right, I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow and do even more exciting math. See you then. Bye.